Hold two. Back a little bit. Stop. Are you ready? Attention!
Once again, let's shift our attention back onto the water. Race 4, this is still the DB12 Masters Open. Heat number 4, lane 1, we have Kelab, Perahu, Naga, Keris, Terbang. Lane 2, teams at Dragon Boat Club. Lane 3, PP, NNS, Al Haddad. And lane 4, we have BSAC, X, Cyan, B. And again, the challenge, the actions, the thrills, and the spill. Boat number 1, we have Kelab, Perahu, Naga, Keris, Terbang taking the lead. Followed quite close indeed. Boat number 3, lane number 3, DB, NNS, Al Haddad. And in lane number 2, in the third spot, we have teams at Dragon Boat Club. Boat number 1, Kelab, Perahu, Naga, Keris, Terbang are still very much comfortable, taking the lead. And boat number 3, PP and Al Haddad are trying to challenge the leading team right now. Boat number 1, Keris, Terbang, PP and Al Haddad. Boat number 3 is still in the second spot, and boat number 2 in the third spot. We have teams at Dragon Boat Club. They have another 50 more minutes to go. Once again, this is race number 4, heat number 4. The heat winners will qualify straight to the semi-final, and also the other 6 remaining, the fastest team, will also be accompanying all the 6 heat winners. Here's the official result for race number 3, DB12 Masters Open. First position, top 1, Sungai Bunga, with a time of 1 minute 244 seconds. Second position goes to Guangzhou International and ZWL China, with a time of 1 minute 312 seconds. Third position, Cyprus Shops, with a time of 1 minute 327 seconds. And the fourth position goes to United Riders with a time of 1 minute 328 seconds. Again, the winner, top 1 Sungai Bunga, will go straight to the semi-final, and we just have to wait for the official result of other heats to determine the 6 fastest team to accompany the other 6 winners for the semi-finals. The remaining 10 teams